Okay, I'm going to just go ahead and show you how to assemble um, our pieces for our mobile. This is not quite as easy as it looks. First of all, we're using this really, really thin wire. It'll almost disappear so that you don't see that so much as you see the thicker wire that we used. And then I think the best way to do it is to just take and wrap it around like this. Now, I wish so much we had some sort of a setup where we could hang these and work on them while they were hanging, but I haven't figured out how to do that. So instead, we're going to have to pick it up, see how it hangs, see how the balance is, what needs to be done to keep things where they're supposed to be. Do you see how this little green one keeps wanting to slide? I'm going to lay it down and see if I can wrap this a few more times, maybe around both sides. Let's see if that helps how it hangs. This is not probably my strong, there you go. This is probably not my strong point. This is not something that I'm good at. Some of you guys are a lot better at it than I am. So anyway, I have a few different pieces on there, but I still have a few more to go. So the last time I recorded, I thought I was recording and it didn't work, so I wanted to go ahead and show you this one. I could try and attach this directly onto here, but I almost think that the lightweight wire will work better to keep it going. So I'm just going to go ahead and take some of this lightweight wire, cut myself a piece. I'm going to wrap it around this one, and I'm going to do that literally just by, I'm going to go through the loop on this one so it'll be a little bit different, but just by wrapping it round and around. Okay, so it's snug there. Okay, lift this up, decide where I'm going to put this. They get tangled each time we set it down, which is kind of annoying as well. So I've got this main one here that is hooked to this. It might be something that you want to work with a friend on, honestly, so that it doesn't get so tangled. Okay, so I want to attach this one, I think, maybe to this one right here. Put this down, wrap this around. To back up, see how that looks. Okay, it's obviously not going to be balanced. I need something going off of this other side as well. So this is where I can attach my one here. And I'm going to do the same thing by cutting a piece of wire, hanging it on there, and then here I have my mobile. It's going to be very movable. I don't know how pretty it's going to be, but it's going to be done. So we'll just experiment until we get something that we think looks good. And I'm thinking we maybe just will hang these from the ceiling in here, and I will grade them while they're hanging so that I can see them. All right,